If you want to learn how to snowboard and improve your riding skills on and off the mountain, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate rider, then stay tuned because I want to let you know about who I am and what this channel is about. If you're new here, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you never miss my latest content when I'm uploading new videos and also when I'm doing one of my regular monthly giveaways. My name is Frank Wall. I'm a personal trainer and nutrition coach here in the Atlanta area in Georgia. And long story short, I was an overweight and obese kid growing up, and I lost over 50 pounds before I turned 17. And 5 years later, I got my very first training certification and I began training in gyms. Just a little over 3 years ago, I was introduced to snowboarding. I was going on one of my bi-yearly trips with my girlfriend, and we went all the way to Germany to visit her family. They hooked me up with a snowboard and a lift ticket, and I got to try it for my very first time, and I fell in love with it. It was awesome. See, I was just like you, either wanting to learn how to go snowboarding, ride better, or just go a little bit longer and have better stamina without my legs catching on fire. The only problem was on my very first day, I was literally given a 1-minute tutorial on how to get on your toes or how to get on your heels and go down the mountain, and that's it. Needless to say, I was on the bunny slopes for the first few hours before I went in and had lunch. I was walking up the hill, I was sliding, I was falling. It was so hard, and I kept leaning back, and no one showed me the ropes and what I needed to do. I'd never even watched a video on how to snowboard, but I knew that regardless, at the end of the day, I was gonna do this for the rest of my life as long as my body would allow me to. Snowboarding can actually be pretty tough if you don't have the balance, strength, or mobility to move well. And sometimes people get it a little bit easier than others. No one learns the same or no one's built the same. But I'll be extremely honest, the very second time I went out later on in this season and I got a snowboarding coach from the Cataloochee Ski Area in North Carolina, that dramatically improved my riding experience. My ability improved so much even after just that first coaching session, and I want to share all of my tips and experience with you to take you along in my journey, because I still consider myself a beginner sometimes, and I'm learning. And if you're learning just like me, I want to show you exactly the path and what I'm doing on how to get there. Although I do have a huge focus on training, nutrition, and mobility, every winter and spring season I do post a lot of content revolving around snowboarding and some skiing. I really just want to teach you how to learn snowboarding, whether or not it's your very first time riding, so you can improve your ability, and ultimately I don't want to see you get hurt. And the beauty of why my channel is different is that because during the off season, being a personal trainer and nutrition coach, I'm going to give you the tips and techniques on how to improve your strength, how to improve your mobility so you don't get hurt, give you the nutrition advice so you can have all day energy on and off the mountain. Also give you the tips to help boost your stamina so you can ride a little bit longer without your legs feeling like catching on fire, and then help improve your explosiveness so you'll have that power to hit those jumps and have that quicker agility to make those fast turns. And if you're interested in learning more, please, I'll say it again, go ahead and click that notification bell. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my latest content. I recently partnered with the Cataloochee Ski Area in North Carolina, and over the course of the next year, we're going to be putting out a lot of content combined on how to snowboard, how to ski, and I'm going to be doing a lot of things revolving around the nutrition, training, mobility aspects so you can be in better shape to improve your riding experience on the mountain. And of course, if you didn't know, you can actually go snowboarding and skiing in North Carolina. So if you live in the Southeast or any other area for that matter, please definitely check out this channel. It's worth subscribing to. Thank you so much for watching, and again, I hope you stay safe on and off the mountain, and please feel free to watch some of my other videos and other online content that I have. I'm also going to be posting some links down below to the Cataloochee Ski Area, so if you're more interested in being able to save a little bit of money, learn how to snowboard, and have a great fun experience on a nice big mountain that you can do here in the Southeast, it's worth checking out. See you soon.
Let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.